So obviously learning how to cook is a great personal skill. That's a skill that will never leave me. I'll always have that for the rest of my life. And even apart from that, having gone to ICCA, anything in hospitality is now open to me. My name is Arman. I'm from Germany and Iran, but I've lived in Dubai for the last 10 years. So I did the 3-month professional program at ICCA, and it was an incredible experience. I learned a lot from how to behave in the kitchen to the more technical aspects of cooking. And on top of that, of course, I had my work experience. I worked during the Abu Dhabi Formula 1 weekend at the end of 2017. I worked for the Dubai Air Show as well at the Atlantis Hotel on the Palm. And apart from that, ICCA opened me up to a whole other range of activities and work experience that I was able to do independently of the organization. After I finished my 3-month program at ICCA, I joined the bread program for a week and also did the gelato program for a week as well. And afterwards, I got the chance to work at La Petite Maison. It's a French-Italian restaurant. So thank you, ICCA. It's been a pleasure being here, working here, and learning from all of the talented instructors and people that work here. Und für meine deutschen Freunde will ich noch sagen, das war eine unglaubliche Erfahrung. Ich kann es jedem empfehlen, ob sie ein Koch werden wollen oder nicht. Es ist gut für jeden. Und ich kann nur sagen, kommt hierher, ihr werdet es nicht bereuen.